Hey guys, it's Shelby. Welcome back. And today I am packing for a 4-day trip to California, which I'm so excited about. It's going to be 75, hopefully sunny. It's California, of course, it's going to be sunny and gorgeous. So I am trading my lovely rainstorm 40 to 60 degree Minnesota weather for that, and I could not be more pleased. But I head out pretty soon, so I need to get packed. I thought I would show you what I'm bringing. As always, I'm only bringing a carry-on, well, 2 carry-ons if you count my purse. But I don't count my purse. So my carry-on for my clothes, I'm going to show you what I'm bringing so that I have enough outfits or outfit changes. I will be going to a wedding while I'm there, so that's going to be included as well in my outfits that I need to bring. And then just in case I need to bring anything back, I always like to leave a little extra room in the suitcase. As always, I'll link my socials below along with my suitcase. If you do like it, it's a good one. I suggest checking it out. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing and we'll get into it. So I haven't quite figured out the angles for when I've got my suitcase open, but bear with me. I would appreciate it. I'm going to start with my clothes. You're going to want to start just with your undergarments in there. And then my clothing choices. I chose relatively neutral because I want to keep my clothing choices narrow. I don't want a whole lot of clothes in my suitcase. That just like stresses me out. It gets too heavy. There's no room for anything. Everything gets wrinkled and you don't wear most of it anyway. So I am bringing one jacket. It's lightweight, it's stretchy, it's just a tan with black accents. I'll put it on later and show you what it looks like. But this has to go with everything that I am bringing. That is what I decided. That's kind of my tester for whether or not it gets to go. It's a neutral tan color, so it goes with almost anything. But I'm wearing that on the plane along with a pair of jeans because they're going to be one of the biggest items that you're bringing, so you might as well wear them on the plane and save the suitcase space. Also, airplanes get cold, so wear this in your jacket on the airplane. With those, I'm just wearing a t-shirt. It's comfortable, it's kind of cute, stretchy. You know, you can't go wrong with just a t-shirt on the plane. So in the suitcase, I am bringing a gray shirt, which I will immediately fold up and roll because if you watch my rolling versus folding videos, you know I believe in rolling. And just put it right in there at the end. A black t-shirt, same thing, just black. A red kind of lacy sleeved, can you see that? Lacy sleeved peasant blouse. I love this blouse because it doesn't ever really look like it's wrinkled because it's meant to be a little bit wrinkled, the fabric is. So I will be putting that in as well. Also, if you know me at all, you know I consider red to be a neutral. So, you know, black, gray, red, tan, they're all neutrals. This is just a red and white striped shirt, again, pretty casual. But the white shirt, the gray shirt, and the red peplum shirt, and even the black shirt can actually go from jeans to skirt to shorts pretty easily and really change up the look. I know I am packing way too many shirts, but I do want to have some variety. Also, there will be a baby there, and so, you know, sometimes you need to clean your clothes after handling a baby, so if I need a wardrobe change, I'm gonna need an extra clean shirt. In addition to the jeans, I am bringing a pair of shorts because even though it's supposed to be in the 70s, a girl can dream. I hope I get to wear them, I really do. I probably won't, but I have them just in case, and they will go with any of my shirts. I'm also bringing a skirt. Just a black stretchy skirt. It's very comfortable, but it does go with my shirts and it will transform them kind of into almost a dress if I tuck them in. And this is because I'm only bringing one dress, but in case I need to do anything that's fancy and requires a second dress or a skirt, I do have one. For the wedding itself, I am wearing this beautiful lace dress. It's got a tan sheath underneath, blue lace on top of it. This one actually doesn't really need anything special for folding it. It holds up pretty well against wrinkles. So I'm just gonna roll that, put that in there. I like it because the tan underside goes well with the jacket. Is it 100% the jacket I would choose given my entire closet to go with this dress? No, probably not, but it does go with it well enough that I'm willing to do it for this trip. If the one jacket goes with everything, you know, even if it's only like a 95% match, awesome, because I'm only bringing one jacket. In addition to that, you're going to need some pajamas. Kind of roll them up, stick them in there. I do have tons of room in here. I don't know if you can see. Oh, you can't even see that. Okay, yeah. So tons of room, lots and lots of room. With my dress, I'm going to be wearing some sandals. They're cute, they're gold, they're tan. They go with the jacket, which is still in frame, lovely. These I like to put down here so they're not touching anything. Just in the bottom of the suitcase. I don't think that's what that's for, but totally works. Now I still have a nice clean setting for all of my clothes. My makeup brushes, Q-tips, hair straightener, because I only bring one straightening tool. My hairbrush is going to go in my carry-on, my other carry-on, just like a tote bag purse. I do my hairbrushes in that. Sometimes I'll do my makeup. Depends. Both of these things are going to be in my hands at all times, so it doesn't really matter which one you put it in. But the liquid, the 311 bag, that's going to go in there because it's easier to pull out than unzipping this. And then just like my actual purse that's got my money, my cell phone, electronics, my water bottle, things like that, that's all going in my tote bag. So they're not going in here. What is going in here are my accessories. First of all, nail file, because I can't go anywhere without it. Then my accessories. Anyone who watches this channel knows that I wear rings. I wear a lot of rings, always. So half my jewelry is already on. I'm going to be bringing a bracelet, so I'll slip that in there. A necklace, which managed to wind itself around everything, and there goes my bobby pins. Just a sparkly necklace to go with the dress. It's going to go up in here as well. I want some hair choices, so I'm bringing bobby pins, including the curly bobby pins. These are really cool. My friend turned me onto these. You just spin them in and they grip a bun like magic. Hair tie, headband. This honestly is more just for when I'm washing my face at night. This looks super dumb, but I'm gonna show you anyway. Like, I just put my hair up like that and wash my face, and then when I'm done, my bangs come down and they're not like, you know, wet and flat. They're still poofy and nice. So yeah, that's what that's for. Never go anywhere without a couple Band-Aids just in case. And that's basically it. Toss those in, zip this up. Like I said, there's still tons of room. Like, there's lots and lots and lots of room in here, so that's perfect. Super lightweight. Okay, I'm gonna pull the camera forward. Zoop. All right. So next I'm gonna show you just a little bit of a kind of video montage, if you will. Hopefully, if the editing turns out, that is what it will look like. But basically, I just tried on a couple of the outfits that you just saw me pack prior to setting up the camera to packing them. And it's not everything I'm packing, but it's just kind of give you an idea of where my head's at with the one jacket, the shorts, the skirts, the jeans, just kind of how all the shirts fit with it, the dress. Just an idea of like why I think these outfits go together, why I chose them. But yeah, like I said, all my other stuff is going to go in my purse. That's coming with me. My, you know, liquids, hairbrush, water bottle. Always bring a water bottle for the plane. In case you haven't seen it, I'll show you my favorite one. It's this one right here. Can't even tell you what it was. I got it at Target. It's BPA free. Oh, it's Pogo. It's really great. This one holds 40 ounces. You can't tell because I've like worn all the things off, but up here used to be a circle. It said 40 ounces. So this is great because you can drink 2 of these in a day, which is like super easy when you travel because it's so dry on an airplane, and you have more than your daily water that you need, so it's great. But as always, I will link everything in the description, which in this case is probably just my water bottle and my suitcase. I hope you enjoyed the video montage, which I will probably edit in before this because this is the end of the video. So if you saw it already, awesome. If you haven't seen it, I'll put it next. But I'll link my socials in the description. I'm excited to get going on this trip. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you soon. Bye. All right, my lovely outfit of the day, but suddenly magic. This is going to be one of my outfits for the trip. This is the floral kind of peekaboo shoulder peasant blouse I was telling you, the one that kind of always looks wrinkled, so you don't have to worry if it wrinkles. This is the coat to show that it does indeed go with everything, at least somewhat. Tan, stretchy, pretty lightweight. It's actually really comfortable, so it's great for the airplanes. It's not super restrictive. I was gonna zip it up there, but then it seemed like a lot of effort, so I didn't. But yeah, next outfit. Same shirt, just with the skirt. The skirt's awesome, super stretchy, great, totally transforms the look. Speaking of which, here is another one, just the gray top going in with the skirt. I'm gonna put on the jacket right now so you can see how that looks with that. So as you can tell, so far looks good with jeans, skirt, multiple shirts, and even shorts. Next outfit, everything's the same except the shorts, taking off the jacket, and I do want to show you what I'm going to wear for the wedding, so that's up next. And there we go, lovely tan underlay of a lace dress. Ignore what I'm doing. I don't know, it's late. I feel pretty, I want to spin, that's gonna happen. Here we go with the jacket, so you can kind of see it plays off the undertones of the dress very nicely. I don't really anticipate wearing the jacket very much while I'm there, but the color does go with the dress somewhat. It's not an exact match, but it's pretty close to the slip of the dress. It does go with it, so pretty happy with that. But overall, yeah, those are my looks. I don't really know how to end this, so bye. Thanks for watching.